22 miles wide.
What are you doing?
The largest freshwater lake in Alaska.
Go, baby boy, go!
Both lakes reach staggering depths.
Go, baby, go, go!
1,000 feet. With such a vast area of water, I probably got more chance of winning
Go.
the lottery than catching this monster on my own.
Go!
The best way
Go,
to
Pumpkin,
start
go!
is to gain some local knowledge.
Actually, quite a few communities dotted around the lake.
Go, Pumpkin, go!
These will have been here literally for generations, and these will be the people who have the stories about the monster. So they're the people I want to talk to.
Go! Go! Go, baby, go! Go!
People lived on this land for more than 7,000
Good
years.
job!
Over centuries they fished these lakes, wearing
Good
lightweight
job.
waterproof parkas made from seal gut.
Good job, Pumpkin! Good job!
Tradition of myths and legends
Such a big boy.
monster.
Okay, you can rest now.
Native Alaskans, they have a